That absolutely sucked. You know what doesn't suck? My newest listing, ready to hit the market. Let me take you on a quick tour.
We're featuring a 3,500 square foot, fully insulated shop, full of power, ready for all the toys that you could dream of. The property also includes a full walk-in tack room that's accessible to the side property where the horses are located, complete with a hitch and post so you can tie up your horses while getting your tack out of the room. The property is fully fenced and ready for you to bring your horses. It also has a loafing shed which will keep your hay out of the weather. The property also is included with a full automatic watering system, making watering and taking care of your animals very easy. To see more of this beautiful home, continue to watch this video.